What's up, Taste? My name's Clem and welcome to my crib. Let me show you my essential braai items. Let's go. Headlight torches might be part of the South African aesthetic, but it should not be when you braai. So get a proper braai light, one that's magnetic, so you can point it wherever you need the light to go. Everybody needs a braai buck, and this one is next level. Not only is it the dish to store your meat in, but as you can see, it's got the griddle lines because you can actually cook on it. As well as the one at the bottom, you can actually roast in it. What? Another braai essential item that every South African should have two of is the braai cube. This is amazing. You put your braai grit on here, your potjie pot on here at 3 different height levels. Over wood, over charcoal, in the Weber, in the big green egg. Get 2. Stop using a fork to turn your meat over on the braai. Get the tongs you actually need. One for the fire and one for the meat. Put the fork away. Every braai master needs the braai master's glove because we're not burning anymore. And this glove is so amazing. You can actually handle hot wood. What I love about the gloves from Woolies, they come in a set of 2. So these are my braai essentials. Go to the comments down below and let me know what your favorite must-have braai essentials are.